We're finally in the position everybody's been waiting for, but two big narratives you need to be aware of if you're holding your XRP. You're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end because this is going to be a good one. With that being said, hit the like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. So welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is 2Bit Crypto. Like I said, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up to date with all the latest going on in cryptocurrency. In today's video, we're going to be talking about XRP and specifically an airdrop narrative you need to be aware of, as well as a very big player in the space giving his most recent price prediction on where he sees XRP. We'll take a look at the technicals and everything else. But first, the Bitcoin price, 61,475, just about 0.5% in the last hour. And we actually have a narrative of about 1.7% decline on the price of Bitcoin. What I would say though is a nearly 20% move on the week is a significant move in Bitcoin. The overall cryptocurrency market sitting at a 2.26 trillion. Let me know in the comments, are we in a bull run yet? So what's going on with XRP? Well, you can see here we're up about 1.86 on the day at the 5882 range. We actually did retest 60 cents, got rejected given some big sell-offs in the overall market as well. But our volume, $3.6 billion. That's right, 3.6 billion. So it's a long time since we've had XRP at such a significant volume rate. And what we are seeing is a lot of people buying back in as people start to truly get wind of what's coming. Obviously, the court case seems to have settled down. We obviously have those key dates coming up, but lots of people getting in a position when it comes to XRP. So let's talk about a couple of key narratives. One in particular, if you're an XRP holder, you may have remembered a video I did a while back talking about Uphold and ultimately a airdrop for cryptocurrency and XRP holders of how they're going to do. Well, that is now here. We are realizing that as they start to distribute Evernode Tucker EVR tokens to eligible XRP holders. Now, we've talked about this a number of times, whether it was Flare, whether it was, some of the others that have dropped on the XRPL. But likewise with this one, we see that it says we are in the process of distributing Ever to upholders that held XRP before September 1st snapshot. Eligible users should expect to find their Evernode XRPL inside their Uphold wallet within the next 24 hours. For latest updates, click the link there. And again, investors who wanted to take advantage of the offering had to provide a snapshot of their possessions by the beginning of September and had to store their tokens on chain. And we're going to talk a little bit in a couple of videos I've got coming this week about airdrops and how you get them and the importance of using the network. Now, in my Friday Twitter Spaces, we've been talking about XRPL and equally on my videos of just how big a narrative this truly is and the potential that we have with the ledger, financial institutions already linking into it, tokenization of assets all running through that XRPL with all the other narratives that come, and the incredible partnership with Uphold offers that huge amount of liquidity to enable Ripple to interact with these big financial institutions. Now, the layer 2 Evercode protocol, ultimately the side chain of an XRPL, and we've seen a number of these previously revealed that the airdrop of about 5.1 million to XRP holders. Primary focus, bringing the balances over 50,000 XRP. So it gives you a sentiment of where they are. But again, Evernode and the link back to the XRPL from that partnership with Uphold is incredibly important, and I'm sure will be more fruitful as we go through this partnership. And they were quoted, and I quote, by saying, Ever will not be tradable on Uphold until it satisfies our full listing criteria and liquidity requirements are met. This means you might initially only be able to hold your Ever tokens once they've been airdropped to your Uphold wallet, the company clarified. So again, that just gives you a sentiment if you are eligible of where that's going to go. Also, we had a very interesting view from Oliver Michael. He's the founder and CEO of Tokentus, the investment AG, a Frankfurt-based blockchain-focused venture capital firm, and his view of where XRP is going, and more importantly, where we're going to see this price. Now, what did he say? Well, he quoted, when it's at $5 from now, it's a tenfold increase to $10. And I think that's really good to think first, ultimately giving his short-term bullish prediction of a $10 XRP. Now, you've seen wild predictions from $10,000 to $589 to $20 to $6 to even zero. And actually, he's running a business and his optimism comes despite the challenges facing XRP in that ongoing legal battle. Here's the point. The legal battle at the minute is a cloud over XRP, and it has been now for a good few years. Once that is all resolved, well, depending on which way that goes, XRP could be in for a significant rally, or at the same time could be in for a very challenging move. I am still in the camp that I believe XRP will do. We already know the SEC has asked for an extension on their remedies that they've submitted, which for me, tells me already they're scrambling for information. They're trying to find something that fundamentally is not there. And I think when you've got people running big companies like this, giving their bullish sentiment of XRP, it's hard to ignore. Now, we know, like I said at the very start of the video, XRP did retest that 60 cents range. We can see it here on the chart. We have just broke down underneath that 50-day exponential moving average, albeit bouncing back quite strongly here on the 1 hour chart, or about 2.4% overall. But XRP did top out at that 62.55, broke out of the Bollinger Band and then brought back in line again with the rest of the market. So very good move. What is interesting, and I'm sure we'll see this come out over the coming days, are these big moves on XRP that we've now seen a couple of times on the back of a price rally. Now, there's no indication to say that there's anything other than just people either taking profits or moving in line with the rest of the market. We're still bullish above the 200 exponential moving average. That's that yellow line. And our MACD has just crossed quite bearish, given we've had 3 hours of selling off and RSI coming back into the middle. So important that we see the RSI starting to trend in the middle. This gives us an indication that we have some room to grow in the market, and equally we have some room to grow when it comes to XRP. So lots to talk about. People still incredibly bullish, but finally we get that move that we were expecting. And don't forget, a $10 XRP could be on the case, and an airdrop for those holders holding a significant bag. Let me know though, what do you think in the comments? Are we in a bull run or not? Is XRP bullish, or are we still waiting until that court case happens? I'm always interested to know what you think. And don't forget, check out some of the links in the description if you're interested in trading with Margex. It's our cryptocurrency exchange of choice, and well as joining my latest project. We're going to be launching a token in the channel. Check out the Telegram. Come and join us. It's going to be pretty exciting. Until the next one, I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.